Sek, ano pong masasabi niyo sa nangyaring gitgitan kanina habang papasok po yung Brave 18?
Sir, is it your intention to block the 18 Marine, sir?
Especially Senator Pia, nagrereklamo po siya, Senator Robin, kasi hinaharang niyo po.
Hindi nga, palabagisa ka lang ako, di ba?
Opo.
I didn't have anybody with me. Palabas na ako eh. Just checked up. Tapos bigla na lang a whole gang went up and I didn't have any security with me, nothing. So it wasn't I wasn't trying to block. I could not have blocked them alone.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Since
Given their names, asan yung guest ko? Asan po yung mga guest ko? Nandyan, so they're here na, so sinusunod ko lang yung guest. Kayo lang pa kasi.
Yung mga guests na tinatawag namin sa meeting pero kung nagkakaproblema,
Dahan lang guys.
Buds.
Si Senator Robin.
Buds.
Hindi. Can they come in na? Ano po ang sinabi sa inyo? Sorry.
Wait.
Sorry. Guys.
Ano kayo sa akin?
Sige, pasok!
Senator, kasama ninyo yung 18? Nandito po ba sila?
Sino na lang magsalita?
Pero may pasok na ba yung...
Hindi yung may tatayo lang doon. That cannot be. Pag hindi kami nagkasundo, all of us can decide, we can have a vote to change the Senate President. That's all it takes. It's very simple. You just need 13 people to change the Senate President because the majority of the senators do not like the Senate President anymore. But you cannot decide, 3 kami, 5 kami, 12 kami, ayaw na namin, we will conduct our own session. Hindi pwede yun. Otherwise, we are lawless already. Sila nga, habang nila lagi lang tinuturo yung rules tapos hindi nila sinusundan. Okay guys?
Ma'am, pero sinabi ni SI...
Papatawag po ang presidente ng special session. Willing po ba kayo sa mga...
Well, I'm not the Senate President. Ask the Senate President.
Ma'am, sinabi...
I'm a team player.
Are you willing to attend?
Of course. Pag nagpatawag ang presidente, bakit hindi? Yes.
Ma'am, sinabi po ni SILG, hindi daw po kayo hinarang kasi hindi daw po niya kaya dahil mag-isa lang daw po siya.
hindi yata. Kasi nakita ng staff ko na may iba siyang kasama. Tsaka may video nandun. Naglalakad ako dito. Pag hindi ka umalis, hinarang mo ako, di ba, kuya? Di ba? Tsaka tatayo ka dun sa harap ko, di ba? Kung nakita mo ako, tapos gusto mo lang kawayan, di sabi mo, hi, Sen! Oh, hi! Pero kung tatayo ka sa harap ko, nakaganon ka, ano tawag mo doon? Ano tawag mo doon?
Ano po masasabi
Sorry,
niyo sa kanila?
I cannot appreciate somebody standing in front of me and I'm trying to move forward. Di naman ako nagmamalaki, pero I would think naman na, excuse me, pwede bang makidaan?
Ma'am, may sahay pa ba kayo kay SILG, ma'am?
Hindi na, sinabi ko na yung kailangan mo sabihin.
Now, how about Senator Cheese joining yesterday?
That's his choice. Senator Lauren Legarda. We have a secretary. Attorney Joel Montales. Here lang tayo, guys.
Ma'am, tinawag po nilang bogus yung Blue Ribbon Committee hearing ngayon. Ano pong reaction?
Yeah, so I love answering these questions. Thank you for answering these very important questions. I go back to the rules. Who were the elected officers of the Senate? We already discussed that, right? All members of the Senate must elect its officers. Senate President pro tempore, and from there, we elect our chairmans of each committee. I was elected chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee. So chairman ako. Wala naman nagbago doon. Paano magbabago? Nag-hold sila ng some kind of gathering where 12 of them decided that there will be an acting Senate President. Then the 12 of them decide to change they can't even hold a session, guys. The person authorized to conduct a session is the Senate President, and in his absence is the Senate President pro tempore. In their absence, guys, it's the Secretary